Oh my goodness. The smell. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make roast beef pepper steak. Yes guys, roast beef pepper steak. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, subscribe guys. Go ahead, tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. Let's get busy. Okay guys, this is a real quick, simple, and easy recipe. Anybody can make it. And guess what? We're using leftover roast beef. So that's gonna make it even quicker for a weeknight, weekend. You're just tired, you're just being lazy. Quick and easy. So let's go over what we're going to need. First of all, we need some beef. Now I have leftover roast beef. This is from a rump roast that I made. You can use any beef you want. You can use flank steak. You can use, I wouldn't use a T-bone steak, but you can use any kind of roast or a steak that you have. If you want to use leftover, feel free to make it fresh and use it that way as well. You're gonna need peppers. Now guys, I'm a fan of peppers. These are just bell peppers, but I'm a fan of those too. So I've got every color of the rainbow but purple. So we've got green, yellow, red, and orange. So if you don't like red, leave red out. If you don't like yellow, leave yellow out. Put whatever pepper you want in there. You can also just use all one kind of pepper. So feel free, make it your own. Guys, I got my onion sliced and a clove of garlic. Now we're gonna make a sauce. Excuse me. Just because it is leftover, that's what's making it easy, quick, and simple. The meat is already done, but it's our sauce that's gonna really make the dish along with the peppers. And for the sauce, guys, I have here homemade beef broth. You can use the kind you just buy. I always have some homemade on hand. So I've got about 2.5 cups of homemade beef broth, some Worcestershire, this W sauce, some teriyaki sauce, white wine vinegar. I've got a little brown sugar here, a little salt and pepper. That's it. Everything you should have in your cabinet already or close to it. You can substitute the white wine vinegar for rice wine or red wine. So guys, this is easy. So let's get busy. Okay guys, I want to bring you guys down in here so you can see what I'm doing. And we're just going to add a little oil to our pan because we're going to just saute the veggies just until they're fork tender a little bit. So you just want to add a little oil into your skillet. Then I'm going to start with my peppers first, get those in. Set that aside. It doesn't really take long to saute them, so you want to start with your peppers first because they are a little bit tougher than your actual onions. Just get those stirred around. And go ahead and add in your onions and your garlic. Now guys, before I add the meat in, I'm going to actually go ahead and get the sauce made. So we're going to sit these aside and let them cook while we make our sauce. Okay guys, we're going to start with our beef broth. Now we could just put everything in the skillet all at once, but I find some sauces are better when you mix everything up first. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to put everything in here, no rhyme or reason. I will have all the ingredients down in the description as well as the measurements for them. Now we're going to put this over rice, and I actually have my rice already cooked over there. So what I'm going to do is, if you guys, I'm going to leave a link to my rice. I have an amazing rice recipe cooked on the stove, quick and easy, where all you need to do is a little salt and a little pepper here, All you need to do is follow that. You'll have perfect rice every time. Add a little pepper in. We're going to go in with a little white wine. And I'll see if I need to add anything else. But we want to just whisk this together real quick. And then we'll thicken this sauce up with a little cornstarch after we get everything going. Okay guys, so our veggies are just about where we want them. We're going to go in with our meat. This is all. And again, stir it around. And that's why some of it is in strips and other is kind of chunky because it's leftovers, guys. It's leftovers. So I just chopped it up from the way I had it. We just want to stir this around to get it all combined real good. And guys, oh my goodness, if you could smell this. It is absolutely amazing. Guys, if you make this, you will just say, oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our sauce. And you can use as much or as little sauce as you want. So I'm gonna pour this in here. I like to have quite a bit of sauce because like I said, I'm going to thicken it up and we have rice to pour it over as well. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to turn this up on high and I'm going to bring it to a light boil. Then I'm going to reduce it and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay guys, we're at a nice little boil so we can add our slurry in here. Now this is just cornstarch, a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with some cold water until it became really smooth and runny. Now guys, anybody that cooks a lot or maybe you've made a slurry before and you've added it to a hot dish and it kind of clumps up. I'm gonna show you a little trick to avoid that. All you have to do is before you put your cornstarch in, first make it into a slurry, cornstarch, water till it's smooth. Then you want to take a little bit, you want to temper it is what you're doing. So you want to take a little bit of your broth. You don't need much. But what you're doing in essence is warming this up. So that when it mixes, it'll be combined. Okay. Stir that up, maybe another spoonful. Okay. Now we want to add it in. Slowly, just add it in. Stir as you add it in. Stir it as you add it in so it won't clump up. Okay, all right. I think our sauce is looking good. Oh my goodness. Yes. Guys, if you could smell this, it is amazing. Yes. Always stir it as you're adding in your slurry. That will keep it from clumping up. Okay, so we're going to turn this down and let this simmer for just a couple of minutes and then we'll be ready to plate. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and plate it up. I have my rice already here. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Guys, you all would love this. Yes. Make sure I get all the colors of the rainbow when it comes to the peppers. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, so delicious, guys. So delicious. Oh, you better make you some, guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you better make you some. Oh, Yes. Let me get one more pepper here. One more green one. One more, just one. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my goodness, guys. Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, there we have it. Let's get ready for our taste test. Oh my goodness, guys. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take another look. Oh, this smells amazing. It was quick and easy, guys. Real easy, real quick, real simple, especially if you're using some leftover meat like I did. Okay. Let's dig in. I gotta get some of the rice, the pepper, some of the meat. Oh my goodness, guys. Yes. Have a bite, guys. Have a bite. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Ooh, guys. This is amazing. And I actually cooked the roast beef in my pressure cooker, so you know it's tender. I have that video too. I don't know if it's already out by the time this one runs or not, but that's what it's from. When you see it, either it's before or after, that's the roast beef, guys. Delicious. The rice is nice and fluffy. It's not all clumped together. Guys, I'm telling you, you better check out that rice recipe. Guys, if you are not subscribed to me, what y'all waiting on? Come on now. Come on. Go ahead, subscribe, tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Guys, I have channel memberships. Everyone is welcome. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Oh. Guys, if you're watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you all like my content. So if you watch it, give it a thumbs up. If you watch it at all, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I answer every last single one of my comments. Yes, I do. Got a question? Let me know in the comments. Guys, if you are already subscribed to me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. I can't stop eating this. It is so delicious. I'm getting ready to go finish. I did me a cup of tea. Ooh, I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.